Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English Podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hi, everyone. Really happy you are here today.
Before we start, a quick note about this podcast. This is for English beginners, level A1 and A2.
That means very simple words, short sentences, and slow, clear speech.
If you just started learning English, this podcast is perfect for you.
And if you do not understand everything, do not worry. Just listen again. It gets easier every time.
Okay, Jack. Today we talk about something nice. Our perfect weekend.
Oh, I love this topic. I think about my perfect weekend a lot.
Really? Tell me, what does your perfect weekend look like?
First, I sleep in. Sleep in means to wake up later than normal. No alarm, no rush.
Oh, yes. Sleeping in is the best feeling on a Saturday morning.
Yes, I wake up naturally, maybe at 9 or 10, and I just lie in bed for a little more.
And what do you do after you wake up?
I make a big breakfast. Eggs, toast, coffee. Everything slow and nice.
That sounds really good. A slow morning with good food.
Yes, no rushing, no checking emails, just a nice, quiet morning.
Do you have a plan for your perfect weekend? Or do you prefer no plan?
A little plan, not too much. And plan means a list of things you want to do.
Yes, a small plan is good. Too much plan, and it feels like work.
Exactly. I write maybe 2 or 3 things I want to do, and the rest is free.
Free time is so important. Free time means time when you have no work and no obligations.
Yes, just time for yourself, to do what you want.
What do you usually do with your free time on weekends?
I go for a walk, I read a book, or I meet a friend for coffee.
Simple things, but really nice.
Yes, simple things make me happy. I do not need anything complicated. What about you, Ashley? What is your perfect weekend?
For me, my perfect weekend starts the same. I sleep in too.
Yes, sleeping in is very important.
Very important. And then I relax at home in the morning. Relax means to rest and do nothing stressful.
Yes, just being home and feeling calm.
Exactly. No stress, no rushing, just me and my coffee and my sofa.
That sounds really comfortable.
It is. And then in the afternoon, I like to go outside, maybe to the park or a market.
Oh, I like markets too. Looking at the food and the people.
Yes, it is fun and relaxing at the same time.
Do you ever meet friends on your perfect weekend?
Yes, on Saturday evening, I'd like to meet 1 or 2 friends for dinner.
Nice. A small dinner with good people.
Yes, not a big party, just a small dinner where we talk and enjoy the evening.
And enjoy means to feel happy doing something, right?
Yes, exactly. I enjoy a quiet dinner much more than a big, noisy party.
Me too. I get tired at big parties very quickly.
Same. After 1 hour at a big party, I want to go home.
1 hour and then back to the sofa.
Exactly. The sofa is always waiting for me.
Okay, everyone, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English Podcast.
It really helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, what about Sunday, Ashley? How is your perfect Sunday different from Saturday?
Sunday is more quiet for me, more at home, more relaxed.
Yes, Sunday has a different feeling from Saturday.
Yes, Saturday feels like the weekend is starting. Sunday feels like the weekend is ending.
That is a nice way to say it. Sunday has a slower energy.
Exactly. I usually cook something nice on Sunday, a big meal for myself.
Oh yes, Sunday cooking is a nice ritual.
Yes, I put on some music. I take my time. I enjoy the cooking.
And what do you cook?
Usually something warm, like soup or pasta. Something that takes a little time.
That sounds really cozy. Slow cooking on a Sunday afternoon.
It is my favorite part of the weekend, honestly.
For me, Sunday evening is always a little sad because Monday is coming.
Yes, Sunday evening sadness is very real.
Very real. I think everyone knows that feeling.
But that is why the weekend needs to be good, so you have nice memories for the week.
Yes, a good weekend makes the week feel better.
Exactly. Okay, let's do our recap, the words from today.
Number 1, relax. To rest and do nothing stressful.
Number 2, plan. A list of things you want to do.
Number 3, sleep in. To wake up later than normal.
Number 4, enjoy. To feel happy doing something.
And number 5, free time. Time when you have no work and no obligations.
5 easy words all about weekends and free time.
Write in the comments, what is your perfect weekend? Tell us in English, just 1 or 2 sentences.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.